Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Cardano family. First and foremost, just want to start off by saying thank you to each and every one of you for showing so much love. Let's face it, I know the market is pumping today, and the market's actually looking amazing as we are starting off this week. But let's face it, over the course of the last few weeks, even though we were seeing some sideways momentum, in terms of confidence and the overall tone from the investors or viewers, I would say, because I know the Cardano, like the true Cardano holders, they understand that where Cardano is currently sitting, and they understand that market is not just going to go up in straight one line. But when you do see the consolidation phase come, and that's where you start to see a lot of people just talking negative about a certain project, not just within ADA, but during these times, and when we do break out of these key levels, you're going to see pretty much everyone thinking that they're the biggest moon boys, and that is what's always funny to me. But enough with the rant. Let's get right in today's topic. So there's this coin MYX pumping like crazy. I think it's an exchange, have no clue what it is, but besides that, the broader market is up as well. ADA up almost 5%, so we'll definitely take that. Nice move for Cardano. The price currently sitting at 86.5 cents, also up 3.2% in Bitcoin. Comparative valuation $31.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.7 billion. As always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance here, guys, you could see this for yourself. The dominance is going down, which is something that we want to see happening. It's continuing to pull down, and we actually came down to 58.29% a few hours back. Seen a little bit of an uptick, but again, in terms of a trajectory standpoint, it is on the downward side, which is nice to see. Of course, if you're looking at Bitcoin, though, if you watch my last night update on HBAR, XRP, so on and so forth, I talked about how Bitcoin is looking really great right now, and if it's able to close above 112, I think we could actually see some excitement. And you can see we actually did come up to 113,000. I spoke about how 113,000 is the next target to be looking out for. We almost retested it and saw a rejection down to 112, and we are rebounding once again. Bitcoin starting to show strength as of now. What you want to see happening today is the daily candle close about around this range. Above 112 to be specific. If it's able to do that, I am anticipating for us to start retesting levels we haven't seen since August 24th, which is our major confirmation, as you guys know, at $115,000. But with that being said, obviously still in this upward trend. Bitcoin looking good right now. Obviously, it's not at our confirmation, but we gotta give respect to this upwards trajectory, the trend. As you guys know, trend is your friend, and as of now, it is, believe it or not, still in this upwards trajectory, and there's no denying that. But if you're looking at ADA right now, let's take a closer look at Cardano's price and understand what we're looking at. So Cardano's price has been able to break out of our major resistance we've been talking about for quite some time. But let's take a closer look at it on the hourly time frame with you guys. So you can see this for yourself. We have broken out above this key resistance, came up to 87 cents right now. And again, last time the price was at 87 cents was August 28th. So we're looking at about 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks since the price was around these levels. So, I'm liking, this overall setup here for Cardano. If you want to put this into perspective, from September 1st, we are seeing Cardano up about 11%. So, so far so good. Gradual increases. Like I said, we're back to where we need to be. Yes, we dropped below our key support line, and this is the first time in the month of September where the price of Cardano is making its way back up to the key range, which is at around 86 cents. Love to see this. And what you want to see happening today, though, is to close the daily candle above this range. And at this point, I think we actually might end up seeing that happening. The volume is increasing, almost up 60% compared to yesterday, so that's nice to see. But so far so good. Love what I'm seeing here with ADA. Just since yesterday, if you accumulated some Cardano, we're seeing Cardano up about 7%, so nice gradual increase right now. Obviously, the target remains to be at the dollar price point. After that, you guys know that's where I personally believe the fun begins for ADA. But I like where we are right now. We cannot neglect that, of course. And take a look at this for yourself. We went up to this several different retests down to the 85.8 cents mark, but not even retesting the key support line, which shows that we do have momentum right now. But pay very close attention to Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin is able to hold around here and obviously close its daily candle here as well, I am anticipating for us to start heading up to 88 cents, and most importantly, the 90 cents mark for Cardano. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.